To use Arkmon, you will have to connect a Kraken account. If you don't have a Kraken account, you can create one here. After you have created your account, complete the setup. Here you can pick between the beginner or pro dashboard. I am going to start off with the beginner dashboard. To deposit funds and connect Arkmon, you will have to be verified to intermediate level. You can do that by clicking here. Now, we will need to create an exchange API key. Click on Create Kraken Exchange API Keys. This will take you to the Kraken Pro Dashboard API Key settings. Next, click on Create API Key. Give it a name and check the permissions as shown. We do not need withdrawal permission. Make sure the WebSocket interface is also checked. Now you have created your API keys. Simply copy and paste them accordingly into Arkmon and hit Save. Your Kraken and Arkmon accounts are now connected. I know that was quite a hassle, but now that your account is connected, you will never have to worry about it again. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video.